Hello all, today in this video we are going to make how to delete an element in an array. So previously this is a continuation video only. Continuation video of inserting an array. So now in this video we are going to check that how to delete an array. For insertion what we are doing means we can just see in a quick recap. So insertion we are just making some definition, and this definition we are calling over that. Within this definition we are calling for things like array, the number of elements first in the before insertion in the array, then x is the new element which are going we are add, and position is the position new position in which we are going to add this new element. So we are making printing the after insertion and before insertion. So before insertion this is the value of the array, and now after insertion this is the value of the array. So in array we have to count like 0 1 2 3 and 4, not 1 2 3 4 5. In array it will start from 0 only. So since here 3 0 1 2 3, so 3 this is the position. So between 10 and 18 the new element will be declared. Then in this demo, we are going to make how to delete an element in an array. So for that we are not making any definition. Why? Because for delete we are having an function called remove. So by this itself we can just delete an array element from the array. So for that we are making an main code, and in that we are calling the original array. So this is the original array we are having. Key is the 3. That is the number which we are going to delete is 3. So we are printing the array before deletion. So before deletion we are making it as ARR. Then we are within this ARR we are calling the remove function, and the key we have given, that is 3, will be deleted. So then we are making array after deletion to print, and now this array will be printed. So you may notice 3 is deleted. So if we can change the key also, at that case we can change it to 4. So if you notice means the 3 is coming and 4 is deleted. So the for deletion we will not use any definition. We will just use the function of removing to delete the array. In the next code we will just make some other demo for how to insert an element in an array. Likewise, if you are interested in to make some other series means you can just make an request. So previously some clients make a request for making some AI bot. So for that we are making some steps. So definitely we will make some series regarding that in the upcoming videos. Thank you.